How to redeem a Fortnite gift card. Hey guys, and welcome back. We are talking about the Fortnite's V-Bucks card. It is necessary to know that V-Bucks card must be redeemed through the Epic Games website. They cannot be redeemed on the Nintendo Switch system. So for this, follow the steps mentioned. First of all, visit epicgames.com/Fortnite/V-Bucks card. Then select Get Started and sign into your Epic account if prompted. Then again, select Get Started again if prompted. Next up, you have to enter your PIN code from the back of your V-Bucks card with no dashes. After that, you have to click on Next. Now, you have to select on Nintendo Switch and then click on Next. Review the details and then click on Confirm if the Epic account, device, and the new balance are all correct. After that, you can now open your Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch system to view and spend the redeemed V-Bucks. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.